Hello students, in this video we will see how we can run MySQL in our mobile phone. So let's start. First of all, you have to open your Play Store and type Advanced SQL. And now you can see Advanced Android SQL. This is the app required. So you will tap on this. After it, you will install it. I have already installed it, so it is showing me the two options, uninstall and open. After installing this app, you have to open it. You can directly open from here also. Otherwise, let me search where it is installed in my phone. It is installed here in my phone. I have opened it. Now let's see how it will work. First of all, you have to enter name. Suppose I have entered my name as Sheetal Garg. After that, you have to enter your email ID. There are 3 email IDs set in my phone. I can choose anyone, or you can type a different one also. After that, you have to click on the submit button. After submitting button, here the query prompt is shown. Now you can type any command here. So let's try. Suppose I have written here create database, and the name of the database is +2. After clicking on this run button, you will see the execution of query. Let's see. Now it is showing you the success, means your database is created successfully. Now you can use this +2 database. Use +2 and run it, check it. Now it is not showing you any message, means it is started. It started. After that, let me create one table. I have written create table, and the name of the table is stud. I have given here. Here I will give admission number, integer, primary key, comma, name, varchar 20, and after that close table. Now when you will click on this option, it will show you this. That means your table is created. Now how to check whether your table is created or not? For checking this, you have to tap on this MySQL button. So let me try. I have clicked on this. After clicking on this, this is the option of tables. Whenever you will click on this table, it will show you the list of all tables created in your database. And here I have clicked on table. Now you can see the student table is created. So in this way you can create the tables. Now let's see how to insert the values inside the table. Again you will click on this, and from here you will click the query tab. I have taken query again, and I have written here insert into stud values, and here I have written 1, Garg. Suppose these values I want to insert in my student table. After clicking on this run, it will show me nothing, means command executed successfully. Now how I can see whether these values are inserted or not? I can see here by typing select star from stud. Means it is showing me, sorry, this is the syntax error because I have written spelling from wrong. Again I will type select star from stud. So whenever I will run it, it will show me the records, that is 1 and Garg, whatever I have inserted. You can also see the table by tapping on here, and after clicking on this, you will click on tables, and after clicking on this table, whenever it will show you the list of table, you can click on this student option to see all the details of student table. I am clicking on this, so it is showing me first one, the structure of the table, then the records of the table, and then the create table command which I have used for creating the table. So in this way records are inserted and viewed in the table. Now let's check whether DML command update and delete is working or not. Suppose again I am tapping on this query option, but after selecting query I have written update stud set name equal to, suppose now I have written here name equal to Sheetal, and then I have used where admission number equal to 1. I have executed this query and it is not showing me any error, so it is executed successfully. Let me check the values updated or not. I have written select star from stud. Now you can see the value is updated. Previously the name was Garg and now the name is Sheetal. So in this way you can update the records. Now let me check the delete command whether it is working or not. I have written delete from stud where admission number equal to 1. I have written this command, it is not showing me any error. It means it is executed successfully. Let me check whether record is deleted or not. I can check from here, select star from stud. Now it is not showing me any result because no record is available in this table now. So students, in this way you can use any of the commands of SQL in your phone.